little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw and color a super fun playground slider. So grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's begin by drawing a triangle roof at the top. This is the playhouse roof. Now, draw a rectangle underneath the triangle to complete the playhouse. Draw 2 long pillars on both sides to hold the structure strong. Now, add the floor and a railing inside the playhouse. Let's draw a zigzag wavy pipe in the middle coming from the floor to the ground. This is a fun spiral ladder. Add the third pillar behind the pipe for extra support.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's draw a ladder with a railing on one side of the playhouse. Kids need a way to climb up. On the other side, draw a swirl slide that curves down, the most exciting part of the playground. Great job, everyone! Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now, it's time to color. Here are the colors we will use. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Whoa! Our playground slider looks so fun and colorful. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time, little artists. Hey kids! Today, we're going to draw and color a beautiful dollhouse. Get your black marker ready, and let's start drawing. Start with a big rectangle for the roof and add a small chimney on one side. Beneath the roof, draw a large rectangle to form the main house. Inside the big rectangle roof, draw a triangle in the middle to create an attic. Inside the attic, add a cute little square window. Draw a horizontal line to split the house into 2 levels. Divide the top floor into 2 parts so we get 3 rooms in total. Draw a bed with a pillow.
La da 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 dee.
Add a sink, toilet, and lamp. Draw a sofa set and a refrigerator. Nice job, everyone! Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Doesn't it look amazing?
Yay!
Now, let's color our dollhouse using rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Green color.
La 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 la.
Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.